Greetings, greetings, greetings. Hey, you didn't know say God can see what in your heart? Eh? Yeah, say it in your mind, but him know it already. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God, talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And you see, if you not do it yet, do it now. No, just click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure say you no miss none of what I go on. Right here, so.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, me go read from the good news about Jesus as scanned to Matthew chapter 9 from verse 1 to verse 8. After Jesus go in at the boat, him sail go across the next side and reach a him own a town. Same time, some people bring one crippled man come to him upon one stretcher. When Jesus see how much them believe in him said to the crippled man, say, "No worry, me boy, me pardon you from all of your sin them." Then some of the law teacher them said to themselves, say, "But wait, who the man ya really think him be? At this, him a disrespect God." Jesus did see what them a think say. So him said to them, say, "What make uno think them wicked sitting there in uno heart? Tell me something, which one easier to say? Me pardon you sin them or get up and walk? But for make uno know, me a go show uno say the man where God pick have the right and the power to pardon sin upon earth." Then him turn to the crippled man and say, "Get up, take up your stretcher, and go on your yard." And the crippled man turn up and go on him yard. When the crowd of people see this here, them catch them afraid and start big up God. Cause him give people the right and power to do the insignia. A God would this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.